Required skills. The project delivery team is fundamental to the success of a project. The exact number of people required varies with project, organization experience, reusable components, and methodology. The people who make up the team perform the roles described in the sections that follow. Project manager. The project manager performs the following activities. Owns the implementation end-to-end, is the single point of contact for the client, facilitates client interactions, reports project status, monitors project progress at regular intervals, escalates issues, changes, control agent for scope creep, makes resources, individuals, and materials available. Business analyst. The business analyst understands the product and also the client's domain. This person can speak with clients in their language and can translate client requirements to the technical team. This role is vital to success of the project. The following are the attributes of this role. Domain knowledge, functional knowledge of Maximo asset management essentials, working knowledge of unified modeling language, UML, knowledge of industry best practices to suggest to client. Solution architect. The solution architect designs the complete solution, including integration with various third-party systems. The attributes and tasks this role undertakes are as follows. Possess strong technical skills in Maximo, maps business processes to technology, understands functional integration points, understands technical integration points, builds the overall solution. Design, walks the team through various aspects of the implementation, resolves technical issues. Maximo developer. This group of people actually installs and configures the software to work in accord with client needs. The major tasks to be performed by the developers are: installs Maximo, configures interface appearance and information flow, works on integration, develops custom classes. If required, performs system optimization. Testers. Testing is critical to every project. This phase includes testing system integration, functionality, and performance. Depending on the complexity of the project, this role can be performed by the developer or a specialized group. The major tasks include the following: system integration. Testing the integrations to ensure the data between systems is flowing accurately. Functional testing. Testing the workflows, communication templates, data flow between dialogues, and functions for accuracy. Performance testing. This test ensures response times are accurate and the system is responding optimally. Database administrators. Like any enterprise system, the Maximo database can be accessed multiple times by multiple people. The uptime of the database is critical, and the transaction processing capabilities have to be at their best at all times. The DBA performs the following activities: troubleshoots database creation, installs database if other than DB2 registered, performs database optimization, facilitates database level integrations with enterprise systems, application server specialist depending on the choice of application server, WebSphere application server or WebLogic server. The part-time involvement of an application server specialist or administrator may be required. This becomes more important with complex implementations in a clustered environment with numerous integrations. Integration specialist. The size and skills of the members of this optional group may vary from client to client. Some special systems such as SAP, Oracle, and other niche products may require technical experts. Depending on the project, the main task is to facilitate integration with external systems and ensure the bidirectional movement of data. The various roles of individuals in the project delivery team are not a permanent fixture for each project. More roles may be required, and more than one person may perform in a role. As mentioned previously, each project is different, and it is difficult to generalize. However, we have attempted to cover scenarios that we have encountered in our implementation experience.